naka-close yung visor, and then naka-close din yung mount vent. Fully close. Okay, try natin low speed. 40 to 60. Kung rinig pa ba ako. Low. Test mic. Na-echo ba? Naka-fully close yung visor natin. Then ayun, try natin pumalo ng 60 if nag-clip ba yung boses natin. Low. Test mic. Medyo echoey ba yung ating boses? Test mic. Okay. Okay, next test naman, high speed. 80 to 100. Okay. Okay. 70, 80, 89, 94, 99. Hello. Rinig nyo pa ba ako? 103, 104. Low. Masyado tayo napabilis dun. Last test naman natin yung